understand exercise number 6.4, question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a cell phone tower from the foot of the high apartment is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower from the top of the apartment is 30 degree. If the height of the apartment is 50 meter, see, let me take it as this is the apartment, this is the cell phone tower. First condition is the angle of elevation of the top of the cell phone tower from the foot of the height. This is the apartment, from the foot of the height is 60 degree and the angle of depression from the foot of the tower from the top of the apartment, this is the horizontal line. So horizontal lines below is the angle of depression, so this angle is 30 degree, right? Let me take it as A, B, C, D. The height of the apartment is 50 meter, that is given. Find the height of the cell phone tower according to the radiation control norms. The minimum height of the cell phone tower should be 120 meter. State if the height of the above mentioned cell phone tower meets the radiation norms or not. So we want to find the height of this cell phone tower is greater than 120 or less than 120. Surely we have to find the norms. If it is greater than 120 means the cell phone tower it will be placed in the as per government norms, right? Let AB be the height of apartment, right? And then CD be the height of cell phone tower. Now that AB is given as 50 meter and CD is, we have taken it as H, and then BD distance unknown, we take it as X. Let me take it as two triangle. The first triangle, see here this angle is 30 means then this also 30 by transversal condition. By the transversal condition this angle is internally opposite angles are equal, so this angle is equal to this angle, so this is 30 degree. So in triangle, here we are mentioning the right angle triangle. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, see this is the triangle of ABD. This angle is 30, this is 50 and this is X. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here theta is equal to 30 degree, that is tan 30 degree is equal to the opposite side is 50 and then adjacent side is X. Here tan 30 we know the value, that is 1 by root 3. 50 divided by X, I take this X to this side and root 3 to another side, that is 50 root 3. And then in triangle, another right angle triangle is, this is the triangle of BDC. This angle is 60 degree, this is X, this is H. Now we want to find the height of the tower only, right? So tan theta is equal to the opposite side divided by adjacent side, the ratio H by X. So theta is given as 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to the opposite side is H, the adjacent side is X. Tan 60 we know the value, root 3 is equal to H divided by X. I take this X to this side. X root 3 is equal to H. Then X, just now we have found out that is 50 root 3. Now in the place of X I am going to apply the value 50 root 3 into root 3 is equal to H, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then h is equal to 50, root 3 into root 3 is 3, that is h is equal to 150 meter. The height of the cell phone tower is 150 meter. Therefore, the height of the cell phone tower is 150 meter. Yes, 120 only its norms, right? It is more than 120. Yes, the cell phone tower meets the radiation norm. Thank you, students.